Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, May the 11th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room and it is a free room. I share my screen all day long. I'm live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And if you would, and it is free, as I say, you don't have to be a Trade Ideas subscriber. If you'd like to subscribe to Trade Ideas, this is the link to use and the promo code is HOLLY, all in caps, 11. So that's Holly, HOLLY, 11, the number 11, and that will get you instant savings on a monthly, annual, or the annual plus our premium package. In just one second, I just have to turn something off now. Just so you know, I am in this trade right now. I took the trade just before I started the video. People in the room know. I'm in at 472. We'll see what happens. Obviously, super extended. However, it did come on the option play. At 465, I waited for it for a little bit of time. It sort of went up and down. Even though it's extended, I have seen things like this, you know, when I look at the option play at 1209, obviously late, but I've seen many times where a stock just puts on another 30 or 40 cents. So I've decided to take it a little bit of fun. Sometimes when I do the video, the stock will move up for me. So like that. So we'll see. Now, obviously, 5 is going to be perhaps a tough one to crack. But so I have to keep an eye on my other monitor, and if it does go through 5 or looks like it's stalling, even gets into the 90s, I'll probably take some out. So now the other one I'm in, I'm also in BAX, BAX. And this came again from the options play. Options play was cooking today. Lots and lots of great opportunities. Where was BAX earlier? I think it was the backs, there it is, 45.82 on the trigger. 45.82, so I'm still in it. I got into the trade at I got in at 45.82. I think it kind of moved up and down a little bit from there, but so right here is where I'm in, 45.82. Put a mark right here, horizontal line. So there's where I'm in, and again, I'm just kind of got to watch the CCXI. Boy, if we could ever get through 5, we could really have some fun. Anyway, so I am out. Let's see, I took some out at 46.95 just in case it couldn't. I always do things like that. Take it out just before the whole number, just in case it can't, it really gets stalled there. But look at this. It popped through 15-minute candles, of course. On the 5-minute, it took a little bit longer. And then I took some more out in the around the 46.30 area, right in this area. Holding on, I have an alert to see if I can get through 46.50. I'm holding on. There's no real reason to get rid of it yet. SPY has been kind of choppy, but this has not been choppy, so that's obviously the encouraging part. So just holding on to this one. I had MGT was good. MGT at the very beginning, good percentage play. A lot of us were looking at it in the pre-market. This is something that probably could be watched going forward. I was into the trade at 8.8175, and I was out at 87. So it was right in this area. Very quick trade. Sort of looking. Now I just got to watch. Make sure the CXY doesn't collapse on me. Okay. It's okay. Again, I'm in at 472. Probably should have taken some out and would have popped up here, but we'll see. We'll see. These things can be very surprising. So this was an interesting early play. I think we look at the daily chart. We might see a little bit of room here. I may be wrong. Yeah, I think maybe I am wrong. Oh, wait a minute. All right, so I have an alert here at $1. If it goes through $1, it has some room, $2. I mean, so this is the type of thing that I would watch for a break, maybe tomorrow, of $1. It might happen today. I mean, it's still very strong. To the 15-minute chart here. I had a strong day yesterday. Obviously, I had a strong day the day before, strong day yesterday too. So it's definitely on the move. So this is one I would certainly watch for on $1 break. I think some are still in this stock, so good for them. I had a little loss on Final. I had a little loss on QCOM. I had a flat on EPC. I had a little loss on EZPW. Not a great day. I also had a little loss on a Macy's short. The Baxter, though, certainly is making up for it. The BAX. These were all, if you watch the way I trade, if you're in the room at all, you see that I usually try to take very, very small losses on stocks, and I don't let them run too on. I do obey my stops. I get out and I just move on. And a lot of times I can always get back in. EMC is a good example. EMC is one that I didn't take a loss on, but back this out a little bit. I got into EMC at 27.11, and I believe that was on an RBI and the options. It was actually in our options and also on the RBIs. See if I can find it here. I'm kind of rambling all over the place here. I'm just having to keep an eye on the CCXY. All right, where are you, EMC? Well, maybe I'm wrong. It wasn't an RBI. Anyway, I know it was definitely in the options plays. And so I took the trade at 27.11, right around here. See how it popped up? Thought, okay. And then it came back down. I got out of it. When it cleared it again, I got into the trade at 27.18. And as I was saying, I was kind of yakking because what happened is it got up to 27.32. Normally, I would take some out on a quick pop like this. I think I probably even got in on this candle, and but I didn't, and it fell back down. So I exited again flat on that. So that was just really because I was kind of yakking away and not paying as much attention as I should have on this particular one. Anyway, as far as Holly goes, kind of a quiet day. You know how I love to watch the non-exit profit column. Perigo's not too bad. CPXX, see here, I better bring this in. I'll just show you what happened on the Perigo. So on the Perigo, you notice that it exited on a time stop at 27 cents. I think there was about an hour hold. So it exited 27 cents, but it's still moving up modestly. I mean, this is very, very modestly moving up. So, okay, I did get out of some of the CCXI, by the way, just in case it may not be able to break through. So I was out at 477 from 472. So it may not be able to break it. And the other one that was okay was CPXX, and this was a short play. Got stopped out, probably got stopped out right here, but it then popped back down, and so it's 13 cents to the good. But quite honestly, today the Holly really hasn't been that active, and just sort of watching this non-exit profit column is really telling me that things have just stalled. I mean, nothing has really moved one way or the other once the stock was taken out either on a time stop or a stop hit. So, we have days like that, and nothing you can do about it. You just don't overtrade. It's really that simple. All right, everybody, let me back this one out. Thanks for listening. Here is I want to get back to the room. Here's again how to get into the room. Free trading room. I share my screen all day long. Live on the mic, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 2 webinars today. If you come into the room, you should always click on those webinar links. 4 of them a week, 2 of them on Wednesdays, 4:30 and 7:30 today. And if you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, it is this link to use, and the code is Holly, HOLLY, all in capital letters, 11. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.